Morning, Jetty Rockers. Welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing. Well, we're out here this morning. It is beautiful out here. It's right at 7 o'clock again. We seem to launch around the same time every morning. So we're going to head offshore again this morning. We're going to see if we can't find some more red snapper. See if we can maybe find some kingfish and some other good stuff. So far, every time I've gone out this weekend, I've caught a mango every time. So if we can get another mango snapper, that'll be awesome. And if you've seen the last video, you've seen that we got visited by a really large tiger shark. Hopefully we'll get to see that today because Amber hasn't got to see one. So that'd be cool if she could see that. And we also got Summer with us. So wish us luck, guys, and we'll see y'all out. Alright guys, well we made it out here. It's a little choppy. We're going to stay here for a little bit. We may fish. We may actually just go ahead and call it and go back in towards the beach and do some shark fishing. So we'll see how it goes. We're going to stay here for a little bit. Maybe we'll fish here. Maybe we'll just take a move. We'll see what happens. Let's see what happens. There we go, first fish. Come on. God. Holy cow. I don't know. Took everything. He was off the bottom. I don't know what that was. I don't understand why that snapped off like that. Huh. You got him? What you got? Yeah, double grunts. All right. All right, second drop. First drop got a good hookup. See if I can get that on the second drop. It is sloppy out here today. Didn't get him hooked up. That felt like a mango. That felt like a mango. Summer's got a big fish. There you go, Summer. Get him up, get him up. That might be the mango. That might be the mango. You got him, kiddo. That's fighting like a mango. It is fighting like a mang, Summer.
Come on, Summer.
Come on, kiddo.
Yay! Wait, no!
That's a red one. That's a red one. All right.
I'm so happy, then so sad.
All
It's
right,
a pretty fish, though.
nice mang. Red snapper, though, sweetie. See you, buddy. All right, try that again. You got it. All righty. Let's see if we can't make this happen now. Summer's already caught the first fish. Yeah, I got something. Summer got a fish too. I got a fish. Summer's got a fish. I got a little red one. What you got, kiddo? Still got him? Someone's got a little red one. All right, we found the little red ones this morning. right, little reds. So I
I don't know how they got that.
Yeah. They don't get the memo on the circle hooks. There we go. All right, little guy. See ya. All right. All right, come on, eat it. There he is. There he is. There you go. All right. What flavor we got here? Little red one. All right, bunch of little red ones. See you there. Babe's hooked up. It's a little guy. Probably a little red snapper.
I don't think it's still there.
I think it's still there. What is it? Little red snapper. All right. There's a pile of these little guys. Everything because no little ones the past 2 days.
Now we're catching all of them.
Now we done found the nursery. Bye-bye. See you later. Awesome. Alright, come on there, big fish. There we go. There we go. Oh, little guy. Another little dude. A bunch of them down there though. Alright. See you, buddy. There we go, there we go. That's a bigger fish. That's a nicer fish. That's a nicer fish. Yeah, mango. That'd be nice. No, it's a red one. It's a red one. Still little though. Yeah, he just has some anger to him, that's all. Alright. I did see a red snapper come up in the water column, a big one, so we'll try that. Summer's go ahead and cut up some bait, see if we can't chum them up. See what happens here. All right. Got a free line bait going now. Here he comes. I see him. Here he comes. There's a big one down there. He's gonna go get it. He's gonna. He got it. Nope, he didn't get it. He hit it, but he didn't take it. So he felt the hook or something. Felt the hook or something. I think he can't think he's gone. All right, he didn't like that. Can you pull that up, babe? Hey guys, well, I hope you all enjoyed that video. You know, I got home, started editing the video and realized I did not record an outro. So we're doing it now. We had a pretty good day out there. It was a little rough, so we didn't get to stay very long. And just caught a bunch of little ones. We saw some big ones coming up, got them chummed up, but could not get them to eat. And I think it has something to do with the overcast, because you really need sunlight to make that fluorocarbon or that monofilament invisible to the fish. Without the sunlight, they can pretty much see the line. So that's pretty much what was going on there. But I hope you guys enjoyed that underwater footage. Well, thank you all so much for watching this video and hanging out with us today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thank you so much, y'all. Just thank you so much for being a part of this channel, being part of this family. All the interaction you guys give me. You guys are awesome. All the support is amazing. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I really do. Till we get to see y'all again, tight lines, Jetty Rockers, and we'll be seeing y'all real soon. Hey Jetty Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jetty Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers.